Very good morning, my dear students. So again, welcome back with your practical session. In this video, we are going to see your practical number 5, and that is very easy. You people have already understood. That is development of female gametophyte. Dear students, if I am talking about female gametophyte, then this is also called as an embryo sac. It is also called as an embryo sac. Now, if I am talking about this embryo sac, then where this embryo sac is present? What is your answer? Yes, quickly. It is present within ovule. Where ovule is present, it is present within ovary, and ovary is a part of female reproductive system. That is the carpel, or altogether you are going to say it as an gynoecium. Am I clear? So quick recap of already what we people have discussed. This is your carpel. ये क्या है बच्चों? carpel है. इसके अंदर क्या प्रेजेंट होता है? This is an ovule. If I want to zoom out, right? तो as you can see, आपका जो ovule है, it is surrounded by, है ना? 2 layers of integuments leaving a pore, and this pore is called as your micropyle. The region opposite to micropyle is called as your chalaza, and this is filled with nucellus. Am I clear? Tissue. This is a tissue. To be more specific, each cell of nucellus, you can say, are capable of forming megaspore. Am I clear? Yes. So यहाँ का कोई एक सेल ले लीजिए. कोई एक सेल ये है. Okay, this is one of the cell of nucellus which act as megaspore mother cell. Okay, so zoom out. So here I am drawing your cell. ये क्या है बच्चों? This is your megaspore mother cell. Okay, now what happens? You very well know. If I am talking about megaspore mother cell, it undergoes what? Yes, it undergoes meiosis to form how many cells? 4 cells. Am I clear? इसकी ploidy क्या होगी? It will be 2n. This MMC undergoes meiosis. It undergoes meiosis to form 1, 2, 3 and 4 cells. ये जो बीच में है ये न्यूक्लियाई है, and न्यूक्लियाई की प्लॉइडी क्या होगी? N. So out of this 4, 3 is going to degenerate, है ना? And 1 becomes your functional megaspore. 1 becomes your functional megaspore. Am I clear? Yes. And such type of female gametophyte development from one megaspore is called as monosporic development, which is most common in flowering plants. Am I clear? So this is your monosporic development which develops from one spore, जो कि एक spore से develop होता है. Now you very well know that if I am talking about this functional megaspore, it undergo 3, yes, what? Successive mitosis. Very good. To form 8 nuclei. How many nuclei is going to form? 8 nuclei. So let me draw it. See, this yellow color one is your functional megaspore. Okay? So this over here, this is your functional megaspore. उसका ये न्यूक्लियस ने डिवाइड करा तो 1 के कितने बने? 2. फर्स्ट डिवीजन. सेकेंड डिवीजन 2 का 4. थर्ड डिवीजन 4 के 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Karyokinesis occurs first. That is, division of nucleus occurs first. Then it follows cytokinesis. तो सबसे पहले सिर्फ और सिर्फ ये न्यूक्लियस का डिवीजन होगा. न्यूक्लियस, ये पेस्ट, ये न्यूक्लियस है. Undergo mitosis, first division. This two nuclei once again undergo karyokinesis. This is your second mitosis, and this four undergo once again karyokinesis. This is your third mitosis to form 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 nuclei. Am I clear? So how many nuclei you are going to get, my dear students? 8 nuclei you are going to get. Now what happens? This 8 nuclei, right? Out of this 8 nuclei, 4 will 1, 2, 3, 4 will go towards chalaza. This is your chalaza, right? Upper side chalaza. And 4 will go towards micropylar end. उसका अरेंजमेंट कुछ ऐसा होगा. ये हो गया मेगास्पोर बना, मेगास्पोर के अंदर. So the structure which I am drawing, right? So यहाँ से ये मैंने हटाया, and what I am making your female gametophyte. ये embryo sac है. Okay. So this is wall. Okay. तो 4 will go towards chalaza. 4 towards micropyle. Of this two comes in the center. Can you see this? Yes or no? 2 comes in the center, right? And somewhat during this stage only there occurs cytokinesis. कौन सी process होगी? Cytokinesis. So as you can see, how many nucleus are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 nuclei. But how many cells are there? White one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 cells. Am I clear? Yes. Now you very well know the names of cells. है ना? Towards chalaza are antipodals. This is central cell having polar nuclei. As you can see, बीच में जो ड्रॉ करा है वो क्या है? Polar nuclei. And towards micropyle क्या होता है? Egg apparatus, which consists of the portion which I am holding is central egg and आजू बाजू synergids. Am I clear? So अगर कोई आपसे पूछे what is egg apparatus, तो ये क्या है? 2 synergids है ना, plus 1 egg cell. Simple as that. Am I clear? So this is development of female gametophyte. The same you have to see under microscope. We are having permanent slides, right? You have to keep the same under microscope and you have to locate the position, whether it is 2 cell condition, whether it is 4 cell condition, whether it is you will see 8 nuclei or you can see 7 cells, right? ये सब आपको observe करना है after seeing permanent slides under microscope. Am I clear? So if I am talking about aim, to study and identify various stages of female gametophyte embryo sac development in ovary of a flower. What is principle? Let's read quickly. In flowering plant, female gametophyte is microscopic. Of course, it is not naked. Situated deep inside, ovule के अंदर ये होता है, right? And ovule generally has one female gametophyte. एक ovule के अंदर एक embryo sac होता है. Development of female gametophyte begins with your megaspore mother cell. कैसे हुआ मैंने आपको बताया. Most common type of female gametophyte is monosporic, since it is formed from only one megaspore. It is 8 nucleate, this yellow color one, and 7 cell, this white color one. Am I clear? Okay, requirements if we are talking about, what we require: permanent slides of vertical sections of ovary, photographs, charts or models showing stages of female gametophyte development. Process मैंने आपको पढ़ाया. You have to keep that permanent slides under microscope and you have to visualize that वो ovule में आपको कौन सा stage दिखाई दिया. फीमेल गेमेटोफाइट का कौन सा स्टेज, 2 सेल, 4 सेल, 8 सेल, राइट, 4 न्यूक्लियाई टुवर्ड्स ऑपोजिट पोल, मैच्योर फीमेल गेमेटोफाइट, आपको क्या दिखाई दिया, दैट यू पीपल हैव टू राइट इन योर ऑब्जर्वेशन. एम आई क्लियर? So dear students, this is your practical number 5. I hope you understood it really very well. Thank you very much.